Okie dokie. Yeah. Okay. I think we're good. Are we good? Are we on? Yes. Kind of. Well, we're starting either way. Oh, let's see. It is a new day. Are we ready for the new day? I think so. I think it's gonna be really, really fun. Boop, 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 boop. Sorry, don't mind me. Just talking to myself. And again with the boop-de boop boop. Next here, equal highs. Periwinkle, what is it? Okay. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, morning. Sorry, don't mind me. I'm lost in my own world for a minute. How's it going? Is everyone ready for this morning? Everyone's being really quiet. Is everyone good? Did everyone have too much fun? No, wait. Most people didn't really have a holiday yesterday. Cool, yes, and not much happened until... Yeah, not much happened yesterday. Awesome. Well, let's see if we get something good today. Hey, Captain Crunch, how you doing? Do I trade all day? No. Well, no, I don't. So I trade London. Yeah, I trade London in the morning. Well, my morning. And then I have a gap in between where I go ride my horses, clear my mind, and then I do New York. Yeah, that's what I do. Yes, Captain Crunch, I'm trading in Q. Well, MNQ if you want to be more specific. Real quick. Look, see here. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna see. Okay, so here's Asia highs. Asia lows. Cool. Cool stuff. Let's see if it does what we want it to do. Well, yeah. The equal highs and Asia high. If we're going off of the trading sessions, then there is the Asia high and here's the Asia low. So do we think it's gonna go up for that today? Is that the feeling? What do we think is gonna happen today? Yeah. I mean, it is steadily climbing. Hey Kofu, how you doing? Very good question. Give me 2 seconds. I want to see something. Okay, well... oh, where am I? There we go. I found myself in a bit of panic. I'm bullish. However, I'm waiting to see if it comes to take the Asia low before it goes up to this key area here at around 485. Or if it's gonna just keep climbing to 485 and maybe then come back down for the Asia low. So yeah, well, that's just what I'm thinking, Kofu. Let's see. I mean, you never know. But right now, based off of the 1 minute structure, it's bullish. But on the higher time frames, there's, yeah, hasn't really established a proper structure just yet. Captain Crunch, what made me get into trading? Well, I mean, there was quite a few things. So number one, I wasn't enjoying where I was working. I was being taken advantage of with my niceness. That can be taken the wrong way. Let me be careful of saying that. But you know, I'm sometimes too nice, so they were using that to their advantage, and you're like upping the hours and not paying more, and I'm just too nice to, yeah, do anything, or whatever, however you want to call it, maybe a bit of a pushover. And then my friend was doing trading and they offered to show me some, and I was like, oh, this is really interesting. And then I started doing some research, and bada bing, bada boom, here we are. So basically a little bit more independence would be amazing. That's, yeah, that's basic. And I am aware that it's going to be a very long journey to get there. I don't think trading is an overnight, wow, you know, here we go, you've made millions, enjoy. Does not work like that. It is a constant learning uphill battle. Yeah. But that's what got me into trading. Captain Crunch, what got you into trading? Maybe this is the better question. What got you guys? Kofu Trading, if you're still there. What got you into trading? Yeah. So I feel like I've told you guys this often, but I've never actually asked. What got everyone else into trading? So just something you came across one day and thought, oh, this looks interesting, and that was it? Was it an extra source of income? Yeah. I'm super curious. What got everyone else into trading? What made you decide, let's do this thing? Was it the strategy behind it? Because I find that quite interesting. All the different strategies, all the different, I don't want to say theories, thought processes, I guess you could call them that, and how people see the charts differently. The psychological part is also very intriguing for me, and I must admit, when I was starting, I was like, it's not that deep. I don't know if that makes sense, but I was just like, it's not, the psychological part's not that big a deal. Oh boy, was I wrong. Oh, I was very wrong. I don't know why I had that impression, but yeah. See, there we go, Captain Crunch. So I sound similar to you, just not in length. You know what I mean? I've only been doing it since April. So I mean, we are slowly climbing on a year, which is wild. I think that's the thing, like if you... So, I mean, this is how I used to think. Beginning of this year, which is absolutely wild to me, to think how far I've come, if that makes sense. But like beginning of this year, I was 100% one of those people looking on the outside going, you just place something there and let it go up and you just leave it alone. I'm like, no. See, I didn't even know that you had like day trading or scalping or anything like that. I thought it was just, you know, like those investment tradings where they just put in however amount and they just walk away and leave it alone. yeah, I was one of those naive people. I didn't even know where to begin, and here we are. Oh, sorry, I've missed a lot now. Captain Crunch. There we go. Which prop accounts am I trading? I'm with Traderify, Captain Crunch. Trading is like driving a car. Oh, yeah, 100%. Especially a manual car. Well, yeah, because I mean, automatics are fairly self-explanatory. Don't get me wrong, still intimidating in traffic, but oh my gosh. It's like going from an automatic to a manual, and you sit there and you go, what do I do? That's how it feels sometimes. That's exactly it, code food trading. So I actually have a super simple strategy. Super simple. It is still fairly new. Yeah, fairly-ish new. But I have been thoroughly enjoying it, and it is just because it is simple. And the psychology behind it is that I can then just leave it alone, because the overcomplicated ones, I would then start overthinking everything, and then I would just either not take the trade or start taking the wrong trades because I was overthinking everything. Yeah. Duncan, how you doing? How's it going? Hi up. Hi, how are you? Oh, I forgot to add sugar. Yeah. Oh, that's not great. Oh, Duncan, no. Well, I mean... Yay, money. Oh, lucky one. Thanks for the sub. Sorry, guys, I'm just gonna sit here and play with my shark. Yum, 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 yum. But anyways, that's the brain having to wake up, hence the coffee. It was a long night last night. I don't know why. Okay. Is it heading for these Asia lows? You asked about any trades this morning. No, not yet, Duncan. I've been waiting to see if there's a proper... So this is what I was kind of waiting for, kind of. I suspect it wants to take the Asia low and then go up to take the Asia high, and the relative equal high is around 485. I could be wrong, guys. This is just what I think. I don't think I've ever met anyone that can guarantee what the market's gonna do. Ooh, Kofu trading. Interesting. So what do you do? Like, what do you overthink? Maybe let me start with that. Hello. How many trades do I take per day? I guess it depends on the day. I mean, yesterday I took 3 trades only, but I mean, New York was shocking. So London I took 2, New York I took 1. Yeah, I guess it really depends on the day and if the setup presents itself. I mean, if the day doesn't have an anything, if it's just chopping around, then I would take no trades. So I think it really depends on the day. I mean, there's been days where I've taken like 7 trades. It really, really depends on how the market's looking that day. Hell yeah, I'm watching for my setup. I was also waiting for a little bit of momentum in either direction, and here we go. Like I said, I was kind of waiting for this. Okay, there we go. So now is it gonna take Asia low? Do we think it's gonna do that? So what I think, again, I can be wrong, is that, oh wait, there's another Asia low from another day. On a higher time frame, this is a bearish day. Okay, let's see if anything presents itself once it's taken Asia low. Is it going to keep going down for more liquidity, or is it now going to come up for these equal highs and the Asia high? So that was someone else's strategy. I can't remember who, but basically they backtested it and they said that it comes to either take Asia high or Asia low, and then it goes for the opposite. So if it's just taken Asia low, it will go for the Asia high. I have not backtested it, so do not trust me on that one. But I've always now kept it in mind, but sometimes gives me an indication of what it might do. So let's see. There we go. There's Asia low taken. So now let's see if it does go back up, or if it's going to just keep melting down to apparently the freaking center of the earth, because this was a massive move. Here we go. Little bit. Maybe not, maybe not. Whoop. Okay. Maybe we are just having... Oh my gosh, Perry. Sorry, I just heard my dog bark. Gave me a heart attack. It's okay. Is it monkeys? Okay. Sorry. Sorry guys. I think the monkeys are back. They were here earlier, and I think they really have fun teasing my dog. Pretty rude actually, but anyways. No. Yeah, this isn't my favorite. Ah, maybe I was wrong. I don't know, I just get a little bit skeptical. Captain Crunch, no. Ooh, interesting, Toro. Maybe. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for, because it did now take the Asia low, so let's see if it's going to be a reversal or not. So I didn't place it, but I put it there in case, you know, never a bad thing to do forward testing, right? I mean, I took all of these and Asia low. Ew, wait. Ew, wait, it might still go back down. Forgot, this is like Asia low and equal lows. Yeah, cool, I'm too late now. Ah, oh, damn it, okay. I should have maybe double checked that. Hey UP, how's it going? Don G, what do I know about silent swap? Nothing, what is that? Yeah, what is silent swap? Nah, poop man. Okay. On the plus side, it would have worked. I was just a bit reluctant because of all the liquidity it took. I mean, we also have lost a little bit of the momentum it did have. Could have just been that little bit of an order block it hit into. Let's see. Ah. On Boomer Market, is that what it's called? Hi Verona, how are you doing? Oh my gosh. No, I don't do crypto, so yes, I guess I trade on Boomer Market. I've never heard it called that. That's like pretty funny. But anyways, crypto transactions in private, no, I don't. I have no clue about any of that. Donji, what do you know about it? Because damn, that sounds suspicious. Is that legal? I don't actually know. I don't know enough about any of that. Oh, there might be a reversal now. Well, yeah, I can say that until the cows come home. We won't know until it starts doing something. Okay. What's up? What's happened? What happened? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My dog's come here to tell me a very big story. What happened? What is it? Oh, okay. I don't know what happened, but he's not happy about it. Okay, this might be the little reversal. No, Ron, no, I'm so sorry. No. Also, hey Ron, how you doing? Apart from wanting to cry a little bit. Like a lot. How you doing? I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. That is very frustrating. That is so frustrating. Ron, what do you think it's gonna do? Did you place any trades yesterday, Ron? Everyone's being so quiet today, it's really weird. It's just one of those days. The day after the holiday, some people are upset. Oh no. So I mean, I did 2 trades in the London session yesterday and 1 trade in the New York. Hey, Kikozi, how you doing? Oi, Ron, I'm so sorry. Well, I mean, how do I put this? It could have been worse, right? I'm good. No complaints this side. Hey, Attack Forex, how you doing? Good morning, good morning. Your name is so bold and in your face. I will never ever miss you. Like, I'll never miss a message you sent, that's what I meant. I'll miss you all the time if you're not here. What does everyone think is going to happen today? I mean, that was awesome. Took the Asia lows and now it's just apparently hit some support. Is it gonna break through the support? Is it teasing us? Is it gonna go up? it's sitting right by some liquidity on ES as well. Oh. Captain Crunch. I'm in South Africa, so well, it's not. I guess they just live around here. Down at the coast, a bunch of vervet monkeys. Yeah, they are very annoying. Very annoying. Just putting it out there. Luckily no. Okay, but to be fair, it's not like I'm going towards them. I stay clear because. Have you seen the teeth on them? Nope, 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 nope. Terrifying. Not interested. Thanks. Here we go. You know what's frustrating? Let's see if this still would have been. I would have been pooping my pants, but check. Would have been decent. No, luckily they're more scared of my dog. You think so, Toro? What do you think's gonna happen later? Just volatile. Luckily my dog is big. If he was small, I would be worried. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Thank you. Well, I mean, what the heck, because I didn't take the trade as well. Oh well. It is what it is. Would have been a goodie. Damn. Okay, now it's taking the liquidity on ES. There it went down with some purpose. So let's see, is it gonna do it again? Or are we gonna stay bearish? This is the reversal. Thoughts, guys? What do we think's happening? Or is everyone kind of waiting with me to find out what this market wants to do? No. What time? I'm so sick and tired of all these news days. Damn. And, no, has not grabbed it yet. Damn, everyone's being so quiet today. Was it a long day? Yesterday? Like, I get it. But that's fine. Let's see. Let's use this. I don't know. I'm considering it because it hasn't broken structure, but in the same breath, it just took liquidity on ES, which means this could be the reversal, but there's also a lot of resistance pushing up right now. I mean, I could take it and just mitigate the risk a bit. Just place less contracts than I normally would because it's a little bit of a risky one. There we go. Let's... we can give it a try, right? All you can do is try. Might just want to come and then tag me right out for funsies. I'm convinced it sometimes does that because it thinks it's funny. But we are in it. Yeah, it's gonna take me out for funsies. It's not even gonna do it fast, it's gonna do it slow and painfully. I swear. Yep. And maybe not right now. You guys are supposed to be distracting me, I'm just saying. Yeah, there we go. Okay, at least I mitigated the risk on that one. So I wasn't confident in that one, so maybe I shouldn't have taken it. That was the discipline, again, being bad. Ah. But there's still so much resistance. But is that just because there's news going on? So Captain Crunch, I look at the 15-minute and the 1 hour to double check or to establish trend for the day. Or, yeah, the bigger trend. And I then jump between 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 minutes to... How do I put this? Confirm my trade. I think that's a good one. Like that one was just dumb on me. I was maybe hoping it would come and take with this liquidity that was right here. I mean, it was right there. It is why I limited my risk by a lot. How and why? Hey, how are you? Where were you yesterday? Oh, nice. Well done. Nicely done, LP. So is it now going for the Asia high? Boo, no, I'm joking. I hope it was at least fun. Hey, Invest IQ, how's it going? Okay, we are still bearish, guys. Oh, wait. There we go. Okay, let's see if it continues bearish. Whoa, LP, what? Sorry, I just saw that now. Your target is 452. Oh, okay. All the way up to the highs. Nice. Invest IQ, no, NQ. Yesterday was good. I just did a dumb trade now. That's on me though. Don't do dumb trades, right? I am curious about something though. I could do this as a stop. This is not a bad trade. I got my fair value up here. I might just have to make my stop loss a little bit smaller because there's a very good order block at the top and we are still in a bearish structure. I mean, I could make that there. Could adjust that. Oh, I'm gonna be too late. What does it look like on the 1 minute? Reset. Shoot. No, no, no. So this was a goodie. Well, let's see. Because there was quite a bit of protection. Higher up. Oh well. Too late. Next time, just take the trade first and then look for things. And if you really want to, then just cancel the trade. LP, are you still in this? Or did you close? Wow, there's nothing more frustrating than this right now. Anyways. It is what it is, right? Let's see if it continues down, because then, yes, we are very much still bearish, or if it changes to bullish now. You think so? I guess, yeah, it does make sense. But then, like, in this case, I would have been break even by now because of the unpredictability, which is very frustrating. However, looking at it from this perspective, okay, so we see where it would have been going that way. We look at it and we think, oh, maybe this was the shift, right? I don't know. No, that's true. Oh, yeah, for scalping. Yeah. Yeah, I did like the going short. See, so I had the right idea. I was just a little bit early with my previous one. No, it was my fault. I shouldn't have taken it. There was liquidity that I just grabbed. That was me being dumb. Good morning. How's it going? Also, thanks for the subscription, Joseph. How are you? Oh, little tap into the order block down here. But yeah, that would have been a loss. This would have been such a nice trade. I'm so grumpy now. Look at this. Oh well. I'm glad. What do you guys trade? Also NQ, or what's your pick? What's your form of torture, I guess? In a weird way. LP, are you still in this? Oh, hey, slow boy. How you doing? Hey, me and you both, Joseph. How long have you been trading? And slow boy, why do you want it to go up now? Are you in a long right now? I turn them off. I don't really use volume as much, so but I mean I can put it back. What do you guys prefer, on or off? There they are. Ooh, well done. Damn, your third week of futures. Did you do trading before this? What did you do before? Eh. That's exactly it, Joseph. A win is a win. Ooh, interesting. Okay. So you wanted to basically grab this liquidity and then pump up? Huh. And Joseph, how are you finding it? So it's kind of like that double tap idea, right? Hey, Dead Wolf, how you doing? How's it going? Good morning, Trade Delicious. How are you? How's everything been going? Are we all ready for this day, I guess? Yeah, this day. Ooh, let's see. Wow, okay. If I was in this trade, I probably would be very scared right now and potentially considering just closing. But anyways. Aw. Sorry, slow boy. Well, I mean, it's just tapped there again. It might. Like I said, there's this little bit of liquidity on NQ. It might come down, grab it, and then go back up. What I was hoping it would do here, I was kind of hoping it would come tap it again before there was the momentum up. Unlucks for me, I guess. It did not do that. It went into this fair value gap. Oh well, you live and you learn, right? I knew that one was a bad trade, but I took it anyway, so that is on me. That's on me being a silly biscuit and not sticking with my discipline. How and why? What happened? Are you out? What? Am I not live? That doesn't sound right. Am I live? What's happening? Give me 2 seconds, guys. Oh, okay. It's just having a moment today, apparently. Apologies. I don't know why it's having a moment. Deadwolf, you think so? You think it's now gonna reverse? Now I will believe it will reverse because it took a bunch of stuff. However. Huh, interesting. Sorry. God damn, slow boy, why are you yelling at me? No, I'm joking. Just kidding. This would have been a goodie. And I didn't take it because I was being a chop. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. It's super bearish. Do you think there's gonna be a battle now? Or yeah, okay, wait. No, you are correct, how and why. It has now taken a bunch. So well, let's see. It has taken a bunch, so if a reverse is gonna happen, it's gonna be now. I have hiccups, I'm so sorry. If a reverse will happen, it should happen around about now, but let's wait and see if we stick with the trend or if there's a shift. And then we can start placing trades. Let's maybe not be fools like I was earlier. Winning. How and why? How was your weekend? I didn't chat to you yesterday. How did it go? Oh, you think so, Dead Wolf? Okay. Are you getting any trades in? What's happening? Hey, Randall Paul. Sorry, I'm reading what you're saying now. Ooh, really? Is that your target? Are you in a trade right now, Randall? Oh, but that's awesome. How and why? That's what you're supposed to do on weekends. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice, Ditwolf. Hey, DD, how's it going? Did you say ugly? What do you mean, ugly chart? Like, ugly what it's doing, or do you not like the color? Ugly. Oh, that's rude. I'm joking. Eduardo, I hope I said that correctly. Hello, how's it going? Okay, well, let's see. If there's gonna be a shift, it might happen now. If Randall, I'm gonna watch the 300 area, so yeah. Oh, don't do that. I'm curious to see now what it does. You think so? Going down like Titanic? Yes. So basically, everyone's kind of doing what I'm doing. Sitting and waiting to see what happens. Makes sense. Really? Interesting, Joseph. It has been hectically bearish. Well, I say that. Yesterday was some bullish trades. Not always, Joseph. Previous day and week lows checked. So, Toro, you think it's gonna go up. So you see this. But this is why I always say you can never be 100%. You guys are like my proof. Sorry, I don't know if that sounds rude or not. But, like, I get one person saying, no, we're about to go down. And then more people saying, no, we're about to go up. I really think it just shows that you can never 100% know what's gonna happen. You can only look for your setup and wait and see, which is always, you know, a bit scary. How and why? So are you going long now? Is that what you are doing? Eduardo? Yeah, I'm good. No complaints. No complaints. Yeah, I'm living my best life. I'm chilling here. Got kind of beach curls going on, in a way, I guess. got my coffee. Gonna be a good day, guys. I'm excited. I forgot how and why. Yes, I forgot you don't trade NQ. It's really all over the place. It's lots of fun. It keeps you on your toes. Ooh, nice. Why trade micros instead of NQ? Ooh, I'm not even gonna try to say that SDFD is sorry. Basically just to not blow through capital because I'm still a baby trader. Yeah, I'm still baby trader, so okay, so how and why? What I'm seeing is whatever you say, I must just do the opposite, right? No, I'm joking. I'm completely messing with you. I used to be convinced that that is what I should do for a while. When I was like, if I think this is a good trade, I must just do the opposite of what I'm thinking. It then did not work because then for some reason it would work out the way I thought it would. Because, you know, life. This is just so small. I don't know. This is just really small. I don't know if I like this. This is pushing it a little bit. This range is tiny. Is it? No, maybe it's not. I'm just being a chop. It's not that bad. Maybe if I zoom in, it doesn't look that bad at all. I don't like the volume though. Although not ideal. James? Where did you go yesterday? And where were you yesterday for New York? James, you're gonna laugh so much at me. I have specifically made a short for you. Because we literally were asking where you went yesterday. And everyone was so concerned. They all thought I had pissed you off properly. So keep an eye out. At 12, there's gonna be a short that comes out with me asking, where's James gone? Oh, flip. So, yeah, 100%. Check it out. Later today, it's gonna come on through. It's gonna be so freaking funny. I was having such a good giggle. Oh, this is frustrating. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. My dog's asking to go out. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Tenanta 98. 29. Where did 98 come from? Anyways. Sorry. Why do you think it's gonna bounce from here? Because it just looks like there's still volume for days, apparently. Oh, I see, because there's liquidity that it's about to take on ES. Is that it? However, if we go according to where did we go? James? No. I don't even think you could call this diving down. This is just... like I said, it's just tunneling to the center of the earth right now. And it won't let me in on a trade. I mean, I missed this one. That was on me, but it's fine. Yeah, you're gonna see I was super bummed yesterday when I was like, where's James? And everyone was like, oh, what did you do to James? They were all really angry at me, James. It's fine. High Life, are you serious? Are you sitting waiting? Oversold. Easy 50-point bounce coming. You think so? High Life, let's see. I mean, what are we on even? Sorry, I don't even know what we're on. Are you literally sitting waiting to be Mr. 700? Or Mrs. Sorry. Do not assume, I damn, can't assume things. Okay, bet. I don't know what the bet is, but bet. Holy moly. Okay, well, it's taken a little bit of liquidity on ES, which means there might be a little bit of a retracement. Let's see. Is it going to be a proper shift? I don't know. If it is, then just, I guess, unlucks for me today, but I'm going to set this up in case. I know it's taken liquidity, so this is probably a very bad idea, but you cannot deny that it is bearish today. I do also have, let's see. No, it's just still climbing down. Never mind. I'm gonna say I got fair value gaps for days protecting me. Yeah, literally. Fair value gaps for days going on right now. In the lower time frame, we got here. I lost it. There we go. It's a little bit high up. I don't think it will come all the way back up. Samantha, you really think so? This is a massive range, so maybe it's not. I mean, I could then just do this, modify it, make it 2 contracts. Right, mitigate risk. Ah, there we go, high life. See, that's why you don't assume, right? James, so you also think it's gonna keep going down? Sure, DD. Ah, there we go, high life. See, I just don't assume things, right? Never assume things. Aww. Thank you. Yeah, I got a bunch of fair value gaps protecting me. But fair value gaps for days, and obviously I got the market being bearish on my side. If it's the shift, unlucks for me, no? Oh, interesting. Well, you know what? There's one way to find out. Either it's gonna turn, or it's not gonna turn, or... Right? Or it's just not even gonna tag me and it's gonna keep melting down. This is a very big range, but I have mitigated risk by quite a bit. Wait, what? Telling High Life to go now means... How? What? Guys... We just hit 700 subscribers. Oh my gosh. So, two things. Number one, no, High Life. Just, I won't tell anyone. Just press submit and I'll just... James. No name nil. Hey, how's it going? Okay, this is scaring me a little bit. This is scaring me a little bit. When was 500? 500 was Thursday? I think, yeah. What you oh my gosh, High Life. So you're gonna like sit and wait around for 800. I love that. You think so, Turo? What? No ways, Diamante. Wait, what happened? You would go short now after love the first green hand. Well, let's see. Oh, well done. Okay, then, yeah. Thanks, High Life. I appreciate that. So I'm also getting a little bit nervous. Because, so High Life, just so that you know, and for any new guys watching, so that you know, this is why I'm getting a bit like, oh my gosh. So I made a deal. I made a deal with all the previous subscribers that when it hits 1,000 subscribers, I am gonna go shark cage diving, which is scary. Oh, this is very volatile. This is very volatile. This is very volatile. Okay, yeah, I don't actually think I want to be part of whatever's going on now. That won't be a smart. I know I have a lot of protection, but yeah. Risk management, right? It's not a smart trade. Don't trade it. Anyways, LP, I'm going to film all of it. All of it. I have a GoPro, so I can attach it to, I don't know, I can pop it on my head or strap it around my chest or whatever, and we're gonna then film everything. I am terrified. Just putting it out there. I'm terrified. I know that people say they like puppies, but still. Jinx. Oh my gosh. You've been watching for like 3 to 4 days. Oh, sorry. I've never shark cage dove. I've never done it. No, I've never done it. I am a little bit scared of sharks as well, so this is gonna be fun. You think so, Eduardo? Let's see. So, James, you think take the long? Here we go, this might be. So, in which case, Tenanta, well done. Okay, like what? High Life? I think so. I think there's, so in South Africa we have a lot. There's great whites, there's tiger sharks, there's a list. Thanks, Tananta. Okay. Eduardo, you think 1 to 2 RR. I know. But you know, I have my strategy. I stick to my strategy. It's more for the mental discipline side of things, because I know you guys are correct. That's the thing, right? Thanks, Howard White. Oh, interesting, Tanata. Well, let's see, right? Let's see. I stick to it because what I used to do was I used to market buy or market sell, and that's when I then started making mistakes and doing really dumb things. So I'm not doing that because mental wise it put me in a really bad state. But even though I know you guys are correct and I can see it's why I cancelled this trade, because of the momentum that was about to happen, and I was just like, no thanks, I'm gonna stay out of it. No. You know, guys aren't being rude. I'm explaining why. I'm listening to what you're saying, I promise. And it's why I'm watching. This is part of the learning, right? I can see, and then you guys tell me why you thought it was gonna do what it's gonna do, and then I learn, and then I can start seeing things more. And then maybe when my mental side of life is a little bit better, I would be able to start taking these. Like I said, psychological wise, the brain needs to do not freaking melt now that you would have just gotten me in. Wow. Huh. 100%, James. We are very much bearish. This is frustrating. This was my entry. Aditya? Why? Why crypto? No, you did, James, you did. Hey, Zar, are you done then for today? I'm assuming. Thanks, James. Oh, thank you. Well, I didn't take this trade. I cancelled it because of this. Great. It's great to hear when I could have taken this one. Cannot believe it literally just tapped in. Oh well. Oh, that's interesting, Diamante. No, I don't, Eduardo. I just do the futures. Oh, okay, wait, no. It's no longer going down. See, again, I just need a flip. Oh well. If it's not my morning, it's not my morning. Yesterday morning was awesome. Ooh, nice. Nice. Well done, Zar. I can imagine you are super chuffed because that was a very good short to be a part of. I mean, there's a little bit of resistance up here. Oh, wait. There is this fair value gap. See, now my little dumb brain is going, you could get back in on this. And I'm like, no, do not do it. I mean, the fact that it's consolidating around this area is also not great. Really? All the way back up there? You think so? And Diamante thinks we're going down to 23. Huh. Damn, Eduardo, that's bad. Me neither. Yeah, I've also now just become super uncertain with things, which is not a great thing to be feeling right now. So I guess rather not be in a trade you aren't sure. Well, you can never be 100% sure, but you know what I mean. You're not confident in. Yeah. Agreed? How and why? Agreed. Where did High Life go? High Life, come back. I have questions. Oh, sorry. I think that's why you went, because I didn't flipping respond to you. I'm so sorry. I see here. Never heard of where I was from. I thought you were from. Oh, because your accent, I think. Yeah, so I am from South Africa. Jess. Oh, I missed a bunch of things. I'm so sorry. Do I feel the butterflies? Always do. Always. Oh, you think so? Okay, well, let's see, Tenanta. Like I said, even if I don't get another trade in for today and I just learn it is what it is, I still have New York later today. Not every day has to be a trading day, believe it or not. Even though I do get FOMO and then I want to trade, and that's when I make dumb decisions. Don't do that, guys. Learn from my mistakes. Just don't be dumb. My dog is full on snoring right now. Yo, I wish my life was that difficult, hey? Oh, okay. High Life was so funny, I love it. High Life, where are you from? But that's exactly how and why. At the end of the day, the more you watch, the more you learn. Hey Mark, how's it going? How was the rest of the New York session? It kind of looked like it was just me. I had a look earlier, kind of looked like it just continued to chop a little bit. No proper momentum happened. Oh, nice. Okay, let's check, James. You wake up at like 10:30. I don't judge, I'm jealous. There's a difference. My brain automatically wakes me up at 6 a.m. I don't even have an alarm set, but 6 a.m. it's like, hello. No, James, I'm with Traderify? Yeah? Okay, Mark, so you're still long, and you're still in this. Okay, Mark, why did you want to go long? I can short long it. What does short long it mean? Like go short and then long? Oh, okay. No, that's valid. Okay. How and why? Go have a good nap. Okay, Mark. Got it, got it. Oh, okay, I was like, what? Thanks, James. Oh, okay, no, that's... So you're same as me, High Life. I wake up with the sun, if that makes sense. So in winter, I can sleep in a little bit. This is so frustrating. Would have been such a good trade. Oh well. Thank you. Oh, right, guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, that would be... Thank you. That'd be awesome. Thanks, guys. Shantha, hello, how are you? Yeah, actually, valid, James. It's... Huh. It's kind of doing its own thing. True. Okay, go have a good nap, how and why. See you maybe later, yeah? I hope it's a goodie. Shantha, how you doing? How's it going? No? Hey, Smart Life Ideas. Why am I in your screen? Good question. Why am I in your screen? What am I doing there? I should be outside of your screen. No, I'm joking. I do not trade gold. Skibo? Skibo. Apologies if I butcher anyone's name. Yeah. I don't know, Smart Life Ideas. Well, you say that, but it's like I said, I should be outside. I mean, it started really nicely. I butchered a trade that was on me. This one. It did take lows, and then I cancelled this winning trade, which was really dumb of me, but you know, you live and you learn, right? Very frustrating, but it is what it is. And now price action has just... It's just messing around. There's no nothing. I can't actually do anything when it's like this. Because I trade with the trend, and right now there is no trend to be trading. So I sit and I wait for something good. Thanks. Shantha, what? Okay, Tananta, let's see. Nava, it's bearish overall still. Very much still bearish. However, this bit of support over here. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yes, Shantha, yes. I have no clue what you're saying, I'm sorry. Okay, James. Out of curiosity, right? Was there? Huh. Checky. There's a lot of resistance. Oh, it's respecting this fair value gap. Okay. Just respecting the 50% of this fair value gap. Mark, I want 2 charts, one on the 15 and one on the hour. So Mark, I do jump between those two. Okay, it's going to VWAP. Good risk reward. You can risk the low and exit at VWAP. So Tenant, are you in a trade right now out of curiosity? Nave? I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I'm from South Africa. Oh, thanks, slow boy. I did not get it. Unfortunately, I did not get it. James, check the 1 hour. Holy moly. Cool. Cool. Well, that's insanity. What the heck? Oh, nice. So I did, where is it? There we go. There's the 15-minute. So I do have it. Does give me an idea. Smart life ideas, how to read charts. What are you asking? Or are you... yeah? Slowboy, that's kinda how I'm feeling right now. Especially because after this... I mean, check, there's so much resistance going on around here right now. There's a lot of resistance going on. You think so? Mike? What? What? Diamant, are you joking? I thought so, Shanta. Don't worry, that's fine. Cheers, James! You better be right back. Still respecting. I think it's about to pop up. Maybe. Potentially. Sure, James. Dead Wolf! Well done! Look at you go! What the heck? That's amazing! Cheers, cheers, Tenanta. Well done. Well called. That was awesome. Oof, wouldn't have tagged me in, that would have been annoying. Yeah, damn, okay, I'm sorry, Demente. Yeah, no, you're not. You're not sorry at all. You did it on purpose to scare me. I know you. Very rude. Yes. No? Oh, damn, slow boy, look at you go. Exciting though, I think. Oh, nice. Are you like in your bed, chilling? I see you, Shantha. How you doing? Yeah, that's super exciting. Though I get the nerves though. It's a little bit intimidating. I think intimidating's a goodie. Oh, true. LP, I'm thinking of the same thing. Boom banana! Okay. Just okay. Might be. Aw, thanks, Minder? Can I just call you Minder? What's up, Boom Banana? How's it going? Did you say hello earlier? I didn't see. I'm so sorry. I really didn't see. Now I feel really bad. I'm so sorry. I was wondering where you were. I was actually thinking of it earlier and I was like, where's Boom Banana? Oh wow, are you like upset that I didn't say hi like a minute ago? My bad. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Damn. Okay, Boom Banana, what do you think? Long or short? Aw, thanks for the sub. Ooh, you're 10 mil. Well, damn, Boom. Damn, there's about to be fight. Okay, let's try this one. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, Boom Banana, don't worry, I saw you meant that. It did give me a good giggle though. I was like, so what I'm hearing is that Boom Banana is gonna buy us all drinks. Yeah? Yeah. James, do you see I'm going long? Okay. Yeah. Also, yeah, Boom Banana, that drop was crazy. Well done though. No. It missed me. Don't be an ass. Come tag me in. Come on. What the? Apparently he's son. Yeah. James, you are hilarious. Anyways. No, Bill, I'm trading NQ. LP, did I tag you in? What the heck? David, you like French toast? To be fair, so do I. Oh, where are you going? Oh, okay, bye. Bye. Okay. I'll miss you. Bye, Boom Banana. Have a good day, okay? I hope, well, I'm assuming you're done trading for the day. My entry's on 50%. Yes, that's the setup I have. David, about the French toast thing. I agree. Kaylee, sorry, I didn't see. If I did not respond to anyone's messages, I am so sorry. Just pop another one and I will hopefully respond then. The French toast thing got me. So yes, it's 50% with the confluences, as well as the fact that there's fair value gaps and everything else, except now it looks like it wants to go down. Well, I mean, there's not enough volume, is there? Anyways. Diamante, what's up? Goodness gracious, cloud info and technology. That was information overload. I'll try my best to answer. What is the pair? The pair? Do you mean these two? I have NQ and I have ES over here. If that's what you are asking. But anyways. What concept do I trade? So I have a bit of ICT and SMC concepts going on. Use them both to come up with my little strategy. I'm trading MNQs, well, NQ, but micros. Risk management, well, I mean, I wait for A+ setups, so I look for the different confluences. Again, this is where the ICT and SMC come in. So that is where the risk management comes in. Make sure I have a safety net, if you will. Does it always respect it? No, but that is trading and that is markets. But at least, you know, A+ setups are, I then would say, risk management, right? And how do I deal with trailing drawdown? I don't know how to answer that one, unfortunately. Sorry about that. Oh, bye, Shanta. Maybe Diamante. Potentially. Yes, 1 to 2 RR. Morphs? Morphids? Yep. What is my risk management when going shark swimming? Well, I think number one, if I do not shower with fish guts, that would be a good start, right? Because then I won't smell like a fish. Maybe I need to wear chainmail. Maybe that's a good one, Deadwolf. Maybe I must just come wearing chainmail and be like, come at me, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Thanks, Diamante. Deadwolf, the third thing. Do you think crying will help with risk management? I don't think crying will help. Well, I guess, Kelly, that's where the scalping comes in a little bit, right? Top 1 traders. Okay, I'll go have a look. Yeah. Ah, Deadpool, damn, you have a point. Especially there, I mean, it's salt water, right? They can't taste your tears in salt water, it just tastes like the ocean. Thanks, David. I've heard that very often. Yes. That it's a little bit too early, but I'm hoping it is protected by this little bit of an order block. Let's see. Diamante, here you are coming with the real questions. I wonder if fish cry. I mean, what would they have to cry. Well, no, that's mean. I'm sure they would have a lot to cry about. Their fish friends die. I don't know. Imagine if they cried bubbles. Sorry, now we just went into a very weird topic. People are joining now going, why are they talking about fish crying? But I don't think fish would cry. I think like under the water, fish tears would be bubbles coming out of their eyes. If water comes out of our eyes and we live above land, fish that live in the water, would their tears not be bubbles? Think about it. Think about it. Yeah. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. It also stops me messing with things. Okay. Cloud info and technology. I guess I'm young. Oh, the chair is transparent. I'm sorry. I'll sort that out now. Yeah, I'm 27, and I've only been trading for a very little bit, so I'm still a baby. I'm just a baby. What the heck is AppGoff? But okay. Kelly, you are not the first one to say this. I think there is a very good chance for a bullish market in New York session today. No, I'm not on a sim account. Nope. Still, wait, give me 2 seconds. This might get weird. I'm just giving you a heads up. There we go. Ta-da! Fixed. Since April, like I said, I'm still very much a baby. I'm not transparent about that. I'm very much still learning, which is why it's teaching. Maya trading. Again, I cannot stress enough how much I learn from everyone here. Everyone has different ideas and sees things differently, and the more everyone tells me about things, the more I learn. So it's really amazing. Really amazing. I learn so much every time I come onto this flipping stream. It's awesome. Ooh. Damn, Kelly. Okay. That's a hectic trade. Well, aren't they cool kids? Damn! Diamante? Sibasisu? No, I don't. Morps? No, I'm South African. I could break even now. I could. Let's see. It might screw me, might not, but it should be good then. Let's see. So yes, So I use a bunch of time frames. So I check, so once I place a trade, I check the 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute for confluences, basically as go aheads that it's a A+ setup. And then I go between the 15 minute and the 1 hour to double check the trend. There we go. Like, are we still bullish or bearish? Has it changed? Yeah. So I do jump between the time frames. I do also have ES open on the side here because I know they tend to drive each other. So it helps me bear in mind if ES has hit something, then I know why there was maybe a drop down because maybe ES took something, or vice versa, right? Oh, yes, Kelly, I'm from South Africa. Yes, South African. Oh, you're joking. Bunch of influencers, yeah. And then you get me. There was someone who was like, oh, this is a scam. I'm like, no. You can come watch me fail live if you want to. Definitely not a scam. Well, oh, when, you know, it's getting there, guys. Like I said, last week, I actually had a green week, which was amazing. And it really is, I cannot stress enough, the mental part. Oh, 100%, Kelly. 100%. Ooh, Arby, that's a very good question. That is a very good question. London or New York? So, I really think it depends on the day. Yesterday, London session was awesome. Was so much fun to trade. New York, well, okay, but I guess we know why. In general, New York with the bigger volume, it's a bit more fun. Again, I really think it depends on the day. Which one do you prefer, RB? I'm listening, Mark. David, what? What's that? Okay, cool. Top 1 traders. Awesome. I'm looking forward to it. So, similar, RB, right? They both have their ups and downsides, but they're both pretty cool. During the New York session, no. Like I said, the London session yesterday for me was fun. I haven't heard them, David, no. Oh, what? So I know FVG, fair value gap, but what's the NYSE? Part of me wants to be a little bit cheeky and just do this, just in case it goes back down, but I mean, need to get something. So Morphs, yesterday there was a holiday. Was it a bank holiday? No, sorry. There was not a bank holiday yesterday. There was a holiday. Oh my gosh, which holiday was it? I've gone blank. I want to say freedom, but that's not it. Freedom holiday? No. What was yesterday's holiday? Not yet, Diamante, no! Dinful? No, I cannot, because I do not know. Labor Day, thank you, David, thank you. Thank you, that was bugging me. I was like, it's not that one. It's not that one. Thanks, guys. Yes, there we go. So that's why New York was so yesterday, but London was fun for me yesterday. For me. Anyways, but you know, I guess different for everyone. Come on. Whoop, whoop. Okay, okay. Now we are in Le Green. Okay, sorry guys, now I'm happy. See, that was a fun trade. That was awesome. Okay, so now put a little tick here to make me feel good. How much am I up to date? Not that much, I think only $100. Just because I had a loss. No, I'm sorry, that's a lie. It would then be 200. I didn't put that much for my previous trade because I knew it was risky. Yeah? Thanks, Deadwolf. Oh, whoop whoop. Okay, we're getting there, guys. We are getting there. One step at a time. How's it look on the 15-minute? Guys, I'm gonna ask a very important question. Where's James? Thank you, Eduardo. James, have you left again? Oh, this is not important. Is this a shift? I don't know if it's a shift. Check out Cave World. Olivia. Okay. No, you said that weird. Yay, guys, thank you. Has anyone else had a win? How's it looking for everybody else, by the way? Can I send some whoop whoops your way? This fair value gap on the 1 hour is... I don't say this often, but it's redonkulous. Holy moly. James, there you are. Did you hear me calling out for you? It did. Check, 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 check. Meow. I was just asking where you were. Oh, okay. Cheers, Eduardo. Maybe see you tomorrow? Yeah? I'm here every day. Ooh. Damn, Kelly. Aw, sorry, James. That's not good. That's very good. Never mind. That's flipping good. Nicely done, James. Sure. It's my future husband, y'all. Cheers, Eduardo. See you tomorrow. No, that's fair, Kelly. That's fair. Rather not be greedy. Rather take while you're in the profit. You could always re-enter, right? Oh man, we have fun here. Okay. Don't think anyone can ever deny that we have lots of fun. Oh, goodiness. And volumes died down. Ah, Shanta, I don't see the South African flag there. Just saying. Ooh, interesting, probably. Eduardo. David, why? What did David do? David, why are you crazy? Is it because of his song suggestion? Let me find it. Where to go? David. Yeah, the drawdown's a bit. Hey, Dinville. I hope I said that right. Apologies. Holy moly, Mark 1, what? Are you? And we love fun people here, I'm just saying. Fun people are the bestest people. Oh, cool, Kelly. Okay, cool. It's just Shani. Why do I trade both sessions? I'm not being rude. I'm just... Why not? Yeah. I think because I can. You think so, Diamante? Yeah, I think they both just offer some different awesome things. So I tend to then trade both. because I thoroughly enjoy them. Oh, Kelly, he's saying, come on, London, sell off again, basically. If I'm not mistaken, Diamante, right? Yes, 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 cool. Oh, guys, thanks for the subs. Oh, I'm stressing a little bit. Oh my gosh. Shark cage diving, here we go. Damn, Diamante, when you first started trading futures, you traded every session all day. No, my guy. You need to at least give your brain a break. That's where my horses come in. Brain gets a proper break. Oh, there's an open resistance right here. What do we think about this, guys? How does this look? True, however, it hasn't taken... Ugh. Well, I'm in it now. So let's see. Oh, poop. I'm hoping there's this little bit of a fair value gap here and an order block. Let's check the 2 minutes. Yeah, there's an order block there. Wasn't looking great. 5 minute. Flip. I'm hoping for the 2 minute order block to stop it. No. Maybe not. What currency is this? Dollars? Yeah. I'm not using rands. Oh. Interesting, Diamante. Interesting. Potentially. Well, we're in this now. It's just Shani. Sorry, I did see that you mentioned earlier. David, they're a punk band from Sweden. I'm gonna go have a look. This one is scary. A little bit. I'm trying not to look at it. I'm gonna respond to Shani. Shani, where did you go? Where is your question gone? Look. Where to go? No, I don't think this is a good one. Yeah, if it goes to break even, I'll get out. Not that much. I literally didn't do that hectic. I think it was 130. Why not? Because of the... I was hoping the fair value gap and this little bit of an order block would be a little bit of protection. Haha. A bit of both, Shani? So I only started trading in April. I'm still a baby. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. I hope it bounces properly. Bounce properly. Oh, flip. You funny. Oh, wow. Okay. Yes, I started this year, Shani. That makes sense. Come on, keep going a little bit more. I'm prop firms. Up, go 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 up. Sorry, I'm regretting my decision, so I'm changing things. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ah, very loud. So loud. Shush. No. No. Stop. My dog, ignore him, sorry. Sorry, guys. Cool, calling it, nope. I'm gonna call this one break even, but a loss. There we go. If it goes back up now, I'll feel dumb, but it's fine. My average RR is 2 Rs. Oh, flip. True. Only half loss. Yes, I am still up 1.5 Rs. Just saying. It wasn't even a half loss. It was like a quarter loss. It's closer to break even, but it's fine. What should go up now? There we go. Oh well. It's fine. Because it is also getting to that time. Yeah. Like LP said, it is lunchtime. I'm gonna call it a break even. Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna call it break even. Technically would have been a loss and it is jumping around now. Okay, sorry guys, I can actually focus. for a second. Ooh. Okay. Nice, Kelly. What's my stat for consecutive wins and losses? So I tend to have 2. Well, if I didn't miss trades, I would have quite a few wins in a row. But in general, I tend to have 2 wins in a row, and then it might be a loss after that. So let's say 2 wins in a row, which puts me up to 4R, which already means I'm most likely done trading for the day, because I tend to be like 3R, done, happy. Oh, thanks, UP. Yeah. Check that. Oh well. Oh, Euro CPI in 30 seconds. Oh, cool. That's fun. Okay, well. Oh, so there might be some very interesting stuff happening in like 19 seconds. Huh, interesting, Shani. So it tends to be 3 losses done, or around 2 to 3 wins done. I think it also depends now on how the day is looking. Like yesterday, I managed to get 2 wins in on the London, and then the volume started drying up. And then I called it, and then New York was shocking yesterday. So I did 1 trade. It unfortunately was a win. I mean, unfortunately was a win. It was a loss, literally just by a stupid wick, or else it went up and it would have taken my TP. I literally just got wicked out. That was very frustrating. But then after that, I kind of called it because you could see the volume was dead and there was no good trades. So, yeah. Average win rate is around 40%. Ah, well done. Interesting, Diamante. Explain. Diamante, I hear you. I don't want to do anything today, but we gotta do things, right? Oh, interesting, Kelly. Oh, guys, it's time. I gotta go. Ah. Ooh, nice. Well done. Very nice, Shani. That's awesome. What do you use? And what's your R? Your RR? Yes. Yes, it is time. You are right, Diamante. I gotta go, guys. Gotta go let the brain breathe before New York session. That's how it always works. Middle of the day, brain break. I'm just gonna call it a brain break. Yes, I am gonna go ride the horse now. See, I can see who's been here for a while. I love it. Huh. Interesting. Okay, how about this? On the 20, I know that's very far away, but on the 23rd of the month, I can maybe go, let's go for it and give it a try. And then we just go, this might sound crude, apologies, but like balls to the walls, poem, and see what happens. We could do that. Okay, but let me call it there for today. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for the New York session. Hopefully I'll see most of you guys there. Would be awesome if I do. If not, I hope you guys have an amazing day, evening, morning, wherever you are. And I will be back in like what, 4 or 5 hours? Yeah? Okay. I love you guys madly. Bye!